Hello everyone, I am Agent Russ and welcome back. At this point, we have a real checkers game. We support movement, captures, force captures, kings, and promotion. But there is one very important rule missing. In real checkers, when you capture a piece, if another capture is available immediately after, you must continue jumping. Today, we are implementing multi-jump captures, and we are locking the turn so a player can't escape mid-combo. Alright, what's multi-jump? A multi-jump happens when a piece captures an opponent, and from its new position, another capture is still possible. The player must continue capturing until no captures exist. This means two things for our engine. 1. We cannot switch turns immediately after a capture. 2. We must recheck capture moves for the same piece. We also need a turn lock flag. Right now, our game always switches turns after a move. We need a way to temporarily lock the turn. Alright, let's go ahead and add a new global variable. This flag tells the game whether we are in the middle of a capture chain. If it's true, we do not allow selecting another piece. Once a multi-jump starts, only the active piece can move. Let's go find the select checker piece function. Alright, let's go ahead and add a new line. If a capture chain is active, we ignore clicks on every other piece. Now we handle the heart of multi-jump logic. After a capture, we check if the same piece can capture again. Let's go find the move selected piece function. Let's go ahead and comment out this section for now. We cannot switch turns until we know the capture chain is over. Now let's go ahead and add multi-jump checks. Let me explain line by line. If this move was a capture, we ask, can this same piece capture again? If yes, we keep the turn. We highlight the piece again and show the next jumps. And we exit early without switching turns. And now we can go ahead and switch turns. Alright, one thing I noticed, we are calling this twice, and so we need to go ahead and remove this one. And also, this one needs to be true. And let's add a comment here. And also move this below. And we can also add another comment here. Alright, now let's go ahead, test it again. Alright, it looks like multi-jump works perfectly. Final result. Now our checker game support multi-jump captures, turns are locked correctly, rules are enforced automatically, and the logic is clean, predictable, and extendable. In the next episode, we will implement endgame detection, we will check for wins and losses, and we will add a restart system. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm Agent Russ. See you next time.